Hello, and thanks for stopping by the Wikipedia channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best three prop firms for beginner traders. Um, Before we go on, if you find any of these videos helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Um, so yeah, we're going to be talking about the best three prop firm prop firms for beginner traders. Are you a beginner trader that wants to start your going on trading journey? You've been practicing and you want to practice on a live account. So my number one list is MavenTrading.com. It's one of the most beginner friendly prop firms, and they're going to be helping you a lot. Their interface is really nice, and it's easy to go on about, make payments for to start to get an account, and it's very one of the lowest in the industry, as low as $15. It's always good to go to the Trustpilot here and check the reviews of whatever firm you want to use. Trustpilot is going to give you a good view of what it's like using the firm, so it's always something to put in mind. Their Trustpilot score here says 4.7. They have over 3,000 reviews, so you can just go through the comments and see what other traders have to say about Maven Trading. So for all prop firms, you should always check the Trustpilot to know what people are saying and how rated they are. But again, Maven Trading is one of the least priced in the industry, and their customer support is good, and they offer a lot of help. So yeah, so if you want to start, just come here. You can choose whatever amount you want to start with. Ranges from $2K to $100K. You have standard and instant. Instant means you don't have to go through the evaluation phases at all. You just get funded immediately with the account. But standard means you're gonna have to go through either choose from 3-step evaluation, 2-step evaluation, or 1-step evaluation. So you're gonna have to choose which one suits you in this, and choose the amount you want to go for. So um, depends on you, but they only have just one trading platform, which is MarkTrader, which you're going to be using for Maven Trading. So if this suits you, if you understand MarkTrader, then just go for this. And yeah, there are lots more features. I chose the $5K here, so you're going to just check for the features here to see if they suit you. Profit target, yeah, let's say under the 2-step evaluation here, profit target for a 5K account, $5,000 account will be $400, and yeah, so drawdown is $400. No, daily drawdown should be about $250, I guess. So yeah, so the daily drawdown is $200, and you can just go through the other features here. Overall drawdown, static drawdown, balance FEC. So just go through all the features here and know if it's something you want to go for. Weekend holding is possible here. Swap free and unique buyback feature. All these some other good features that can be helpful for you. So Maven Trading is one of the most beginner friendly prop firms. You should try them. I believe like they will be helpful. They've made a lot of payments to their customers and all. We have over 15K funded traders, so you can just go ahead and give them a try as a beginner and see how it goes. There's a link in the description just in case you want to get some bonus. Um, I can offer you some bonus for my link in the description. You just click on it and register your account, and I'm sure you have good things. Again, go to the Trustpilot page and check the reviews, so you'll be sure about this. So you go ahead and give Maven Trading a try. The next platform on my list will be Funding Pips. So just go ahead and write fundingpips.com on your browser, and like you're gonna get it. It's one of my most favorite prop firms. I started one of my first, let me say, one of my first prop firm accounts that I passed was with Funding Pips, and they are amazing, amazing prop firm, I must say. They support their customers and all, and their dashboard is like really, really user friendly. So again, just like every other prop firm, you're going to have several options to choose from. You can get the instant funding where you don't have to go through any evaluation. You have the one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, and yeah, Funding Pips. I usually prefer this two-step evaluation because it's more balanced. Most problem. So it's either the one-step or two-step. It depends on you. Again, you can also go for the instant where you don't have much patience and you want to go straight to getting a funded account. So let's just choose a two-step evaluation here, and yeah, minimum 3 days, minimum trading days 3 days, maximum loss 5% of the account. Let's just say for $100 account, and daily loss of 5%. Maximum loss is 10%. Profit target should be 8,000. It's 8% and leverage. So yeah, it's you get to go through 2 steps, 2 phases, and you get your master account. And so there are different price range for a $5,000 account. You get $36, as high as 10K will be CCCs, all the way to 100K, which is the maximum of Funding Pips, which is $470. So if you're interested, again, just there's a link below you can click and get a bonus on your amount to buy. Funding Pips are available in many countries, and they are really helpful. For a beginner, you're not going to have regrets trying out this prop firm. Their customer support is like really, really good, and they support you the best. Again, Trustpilot reviews are really high, over 21K reviews, 21,000 plus reviews, and they are rated really high too. So obviously, they're going to be really helpful. I don't think you have any regrets using this prop firm. The last and not the least prop firm on my list will be E8 Markets. So E8 they are quite new, over a year, but they are really being helpful. They took the industry by storm, the prop firm industry, and they've been really helpful. They've paid out quite a lot of people already in these few years. Yeah, so you just go through their reviews here, and they even offer forex and futures trading at this point. I think this is a new feature that was included recently. They are ranked high. In Trustpilot too, believe me, they are ranked really high, and their dashboard is very user friendly. So you get to enjoy lots of good views on their dashboard. On E8 Market, you get to choose different market, not just forex. It was also included futures. So for now, for the purpose of this example, we are interested in forex trading now. So you get to choose again your one-step, two-step, or three-step evaluation. Let's put it on two-step. E8 Classic standard account. The good thing about E8 Market is that you're not just limited to one trading platform. MaxTrader, you get exposed to a lot, not just one trading platform. You have MaxTrader, which is good for beginners. This should be MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradeLocker. So you get to choose whichever platform you want. So you get to choose like the features you want included in your account that you're about to purchase, and all that. Choose your account balance you want this. Then your minimum drawdown, you get to choose this 6%, 8%, 10 or more. The standard should be like 8% to 10%. So the price changes from all these decisions you make. The price definitely changes. So whatever decision or element you add to your trading features, it affects the price, as you can see. So so payout share also, you get to choose 80%, 90%, or 100%, depending on how much you want. So E8 Market is a really nice perfume to add or to start with as a beginner. They are ranked number one on my list for beginners, so you can try them and see. I personally have an account with, either under evaluation or funded accounts on each of these platforms, and they've been really helpful. Customer service and like rates of payout are quite high, without very limited, very low negative reviews. They try to sort out the problems their customer have as soon as possible. So you should go ahead and give them a try and see if as a beginner. So again, um, best three platforms right now in the industry for beginners: Maven Trading, which I've already talked about. Second on the list, Funding Pips, and the number one, E8 Market. Go ahead and give them a try. The links are below the description for you, just in case you want to register, so you get bonus prizes instead of the normal high fees you're going to pay. There will be some uh, percentage reduction in the amount you need to pay. Thanks for watching this video, and if this video was helpful to you in any way, don't forget to leave a review, like, share, subscribe.